This is the BougeRV dual zone 43 quart 12 volt refrigerator. This thing's built like a tank. Company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, all packed in styrofoam. Nice looking box, easy enough to unpack, and you can see me doing that over here. Inside the package, you're going to get the main dual zone refrigerator unit, the 12 volt DC power cord for vehicle use, which is about 8 foot long, which should be plenty enough room to get you from the front to the back of most vehicles anyway. The AC power cable for home use that plugs into your typical 110, 120 wall outlets. That cable is about 6 foot long, plenty of room to get it onto a countertop, table, etc. And of course, you're going to get the user manual. This is a compressor style portable fridge and freezer. The exterior on this one is black, obviously. It appears to be made of a sturdy plastic or ABS material. I'm 240 pounds and I actually stood on top of this thing. It's built pretty well. I would have no issue at all sitting on this if you take this tailgating or something. I believe they also have two other sizes to pick from, a 52 quart and a 61 quart. And after having another one of these types of units, I don't recommend letting it sit in the direct sunlight for an extended period of time, because as the outside heats up, it makes the compressor work a little harder, and it's just best to keep it in the shade. Not only are there carrying handles on the sides of this, retracting carrying handles, there are also wheels on the back and a retractable handle, so you can transport it like a dolly. Obviously, you don't want to be dragging this across rocky surfaces or uneven surfaces, but this is going to be great on flat surfaces like parking lots, grass. You get the idea. That's a good feature in my opinion. Without the doors opened up, the fridge measures 29 inches long. It's about 19 inches wide and 17.5 inches high. Completely empty. It weighs in at a little over 37 pounds. It's a big boy. You got a large zone on this side and a smaller zone on this side. The inside of the large zone is the majority of the storage space. Obviously, it's about 34 to 35 quarts. Measures in at about 12.4 by 12.5 and 12.8 inches deep. Just so you know the clearance too, with the door opened up, it's about 31 inches from the ground to the top of the door when it's all the way open. The smaller zone holds about 7 to 8 quarts, and it's about 7.5 inches by 12.2 inches and about 4.5 inches deep. So it's perfect for smaller frozen items. Left that in there, froze. There are removable racks in both zones if you need a little extra room or if you don't want to use them. I can fit pretty much any normal daily stuff in here. For example, you can fit 40 to 50 standard soda or beer cans in the large zone, 7 to 10 in the smaller zone. At least 4 2-liter bottles will go inside of here standing upright with enough room to put all kinds of stuff around them. Gallon jugs, egg cartons, whatever. I put some large Tupperware items in here and they easily fit in here with about 12 soda cans, and there was still room to spare. I filled this up with frozen hot dogs and sausage packages, and you can put whatever you can think of in here. Because with a 43 quart capacity, it can just hold a large amount of food and drinks. And one of the cool things about this unit is that you can do whatever you want with each zone. You can have one side act as a refrigerator, one side act as a freezer, and you can pick either side. You can make this one the freezer or that one the freezer. You can have both of them work as refrigerators, both as freezers, whatever you want. The temperature on each zone is adjustable from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And the temperature can also be monitored or adjusted via the BougeRV app, also on the side panel, which I will show you. Right now I have it plugged into this portable power station. They actually sell separately a 240 watt hour battery that gives you up to 20 hours of extended runtime, and it goes right here in this spot. When the battery's inserted in there, you can reach all the plug-in points via this silicone flap. The battery can also be recharged via a solar panel, so that's a cool option to have. So in order to power this up, you press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. It powers on right away and immediately starts cooling. You will see a snowflake icon if it's currently cooling, which it is right now. If you have a battery, you'll see a battery level icon over here. And I believe there's an icon to show you that an app is connected. You can see the internal temperature for each zone on the screen. You use the plus and minus buttons to put the temperature wherever you want it, and press the settings button to move it over to the second zone, and you can adjust that one. And of course, you can do all of this in the app as well. You can set the temperature from about -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can refrigerate or freeze depending on what you need. The display will time out after a minute or so, and you just press a button to turn it back on. You can also change the timeout setting on the app if you like. You can adjust it from Celsius to Fahrenheit by pressing and holding the plus and minus buttons for a few seconds. And again, you can also do that in the app. And you can switch between max mode and eco mode. The high mode will get the unit to temperature faster because it's using more power than the eco mode, which has a lesser electric draw. And you can hear it cycling on and off faintly, but considering the size of this thing, it runs fairly quiet. Forgot to mention too that these lids actually snap into place and they have a spring-loaded latch on them, which is kind of cool. So there you go. Something like this would be great for road trips, camping, RVs, obviously truck use, home use, picnics, tailgating, or keeping groceries cold during power outages. Be great for guys in the trades, like on a job site or a work truck, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.